guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to review a skincare product for you. By this time you will know from the title what I'm going to review, so if you're interested please keep on watching. But before that guys, before getting directly into the video, please take some time and hit that subscribe button down below. It is free for you guys, and also don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. Don't forget to hit a like down below, it encourages me a lot. So without any further delay, let's try to get into the video. Cosrx Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. I know it's a mouthful, but before directly getting into the product and the details, I'm going to give you a small intro about the brand Cosrx. So Cosrx is a South Korean skincare brand. It was founded in the year 2013, I think. They claim to provide products that uses skin-friendly ingredients and also suits irritated skin. Before getting into the packaging, I would like to say that this particular product I bought from my own money. I did not get any PR, and it's not a sponsored video. So since that is put out there, let's straight away get into the packaging part. It comes in a cardboard box like this. It's a very simple white box. Once the box is out, the product looks like this. It comes in a frosted bottle which has a pump and a cap over here. So this is more sanitized or sanitary packaging. Once the outer packaging is gone, you will not have any idea about the ingredients, so that's a bummer. Since we have a lot of space here, they could have printed the ingredients over here, but they have only direction and caution written over here, and also the expiry date and in the bottom of the bottle. Now from the amount of usage itself, you can see I have used quite a bit of this product for almost 2 weeks. Let's get into the ingredients part. In the ingredients part, it has quite a bit of ingredients. As you guys can see, I put out a list over here, but I'm just going to concentrate on first 2 ingredients just because the first ingredient is the most present in the product, whereas the other ingredients are just additives. The first ingredient is nail secretion filtrate. According to the website, it has 96.3% of snail mucin in it, and that is why the consistency is gonna be a little bit slimy and thick in nature. The work of a snail mucin is to protect the skin moisture layer, and also it suits sensitive skin or irritated skin, especially after you have a breakout or something. The second ingredient is called betaine. So this ingredient is mainly used for anti-aging. It is mostly used in Korean skincare for anti-aging effect, and also it smooths the skin texture. So that is the work of betaine. As you guys have already seen, it has a very slimy and syrupy consistency. So when you touch this when you try to touch this, it is going to give you the stringy consistency. But one thing to keep in mind guys, they are colorless and also they are fragrance free. That's a great thing for people with sensitive skin. So as you guys can see, I have applied and waited for just a minute. It has completely absorbed on my skin and gives a nice glow to your skin. It's actually non-sticky, to be frank. It's not at all sticking, because your skin has absorbed it, and still your skin looks very healthy like a glass skin. That's because of this snail mucin, and it has a protective layer on your skin so that you will not lose moisture, and also it hydrates your skin to the maximum. So next, let me tell you how to use this product. It is very simple guys, to include this in your skincare routine. I use this as part of my night skincare routine, but this can be used even in the daytime as you wish. So generally what you should do is, first step is to cleanse your face. On a clean skin, you have to tone your skin using your favorite toner, anything that suits your skin, and then apply this particular essence. Wait for a minute or 2, let the essence get absorbed by your skin. Then you will not feel any stickiness, after that, the last step is to moisturize, which is a fourth step. You can use a moisturizer that suits your skin type. This ensures that the moisture is locked onto your skin and you have a fresh nice base for your makeup as well. So this is gonna make your skin look healthy. As you can see, it gives you a nice slight glow on your skin and your skin feels like a glass skin. Next, coming to my personal experience with this product. As you guys have already seen, I have used quite a lot of this product and I've been using this continuously for past 2 weeks, and I include this specially in my nighttime routine because daytime I have other products to try, so nighttime is the best time I feel to use this product. And what I have observed is within 2 to 3 minutes this gets absorbed by my skin and it does not give any sticky residue, and then I can go ahead with my night cream. This done, it locks some moisture onto my skin and it does not clog your pores, guys. I haven't faced any kind of acne issues past 2 weeks of using this, so I would highly recommend you guys, if you have sensitive skin, if you have acne breakout kind of skin and irritated or itchy skin, this is gonna heal you, this is gonna soothe your skin and calm it. So when I wake up the next day, I feel my skin looks plump and also it improves the texture, guys. It makes your skin appear a little bit more smoother than it is. Finally, what I have to say about this product is only pros, guys. There are no cons. It's not that I deliberately not saying any cons, because I couldn't find any cons in them, because they are colorless, they are fragrance free, it has zero fragrance, guys, and also the website claims that it is cruelty free as well. So in our last segment, let's speak about who can use this product and which skin types it actually suits. And also, do I recommend this product? Of course, yes, I do recommend this product, and I recommend this product for everyone, all skin types. Let it be dry skin, let it be oily skin, let it be normal skin. All the 3 skin types can use this product. It is not gonna break you out, it's not gonna cause any kind of skin irritation for you guys, but beware, guys, make sure you read the label behind. If you're allergic to snail mucin, then it is gonna be a problem for you guys, because most part it has snail mucin, as I already told you, and it has certain additives which you have to look into if you're allergic to that. If you are finding it allergic, please stay away from that. I did not find any ingredient allergic to me as of now. If you are having dry skin and you feel your skin is peeling, or do you have any kind of itchiness, this is gonna calm and soothe your skin down, and on using this regularly, it's gonna smooth out your skin texture as well. And next, for the oily skin, oily people think that less is more, but adding this to your skincare routine is going to help a lot. As you guys know, I have oily to combination skin. It does not make my skin extra oily, it does not break my skin out, it does not clog my pores. It is gonna give the maximum hydration you get. I generally personally feel that this is better than hyaluronic acid in moisturizing my skin. I feel that my skin adapts to this better than hyaluronic acid. I've been using hyaluronic acid as well. That's a different that's for a different video, but this is, I feel personally, better than hyaluronic acid. Next, for normal skin people, lucky guys, also use this particular product. You just need 1 pump for entire face, and if you're dry skin people, you can go ahead with 2 or 2.5 pumps. So the price of this product is rupees 1450 for 100 ml, and they are available in the Cosrx website as well as on Nykaa. I bought this from Nykaa during sale. You would have seen the haul video as well. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope today's video would have been informative enough for you guys to decide whether to go for this product or not. So make sure you leave your comments down below in the comment section, and see you on my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.
아니 무슨 말을 할까 아니 무슨 옷을 입을까 그렇게 금요일이 와